Headphone users, this is a warning. This video has a lot of screaming in it, aka I'm screaming because I'm scared or worried in it. So I am sorry. I apologize in advance. So put your volume down or take off your headphones or something like that. I don't know. Yeah, enjoy the video. Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Lexi and the one right next to me, XX Ninja.
It's Angie.
Today we are here in the facility and we are going to be doing the no sound challenge today. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell, and don't forget to like this video as well. But let's get on to the video. Okay, let's vote for a map. Angie has a 30% chance, while I have a 33% chance of being beast.
No, I have.
Ooh! Really? Oh. Hey, you pushed me. This looks kind of wrong. Don't do that, home kids. Okay, I think I'm going to be beast.
Really?
I don't know. I'm really good at being beast, but I'm really bad,
But
you know.
I feel like it's going to be rough.
I'm the beast! What did I say? The first round beast. I actually got it in me. Okay, we're a runner, and we're going to capture them all. This is actually going to be scary. This is going to be really scary because the thing about it is when you're beast, the trick about being beast is you can hear people hacking computers. So, like, you know you're near someone. But we have no noise today. So that's going to be very...
No, that's me. Oh, there's two. No.
Well, I want to say hi. I don't...
No.
Hey! Oh,
That's not me. I'm the other one.
I didn't even know I hit her. I didn't even hear the sound I didn't even hear me getting her. That's why I was so confused. Okay, well, I got this other girl. Why is everyone failing?
Oh, sorry, that was me. Okay.
No, there's another guy who failed.
Is it because I'm not putting attention? I'm looking at your screen.
Okay, I trapped her.
That's good.
Okay, oh, there's a computer right there. There's someone up there.
Go get them.
Nope.
Oh, noobs, is it me?
And me. Well, they're actually, okay, bacon hair. This guy, we were playing a round because we joined into a round already started, so we just jumped in the game, right? Okay, so that guy's trapped, and now I'm gonna go find you.
What?
What? Okay, I'm sorry, but I just feel like I need to get you.
Why?
I need to win.
I'm lost.
You're lost. Don't worry. If I'm coming, why am I'm running so fast right now?
I can't even see nothing. Where are the exits to this thing? Oh my god.
Wait, why do you want to know where the exit is? You're not going to be escaping. Oh, Frozen! Are you not going to save your buddy?
No, I'm not going to save them.
No. Okay, you girl, you do your thing. Okay. This is actually kind of hard.
Oh no, I don't want to. Okay, I'm not saving that person.
You're gonna save them? I was gonna whack your head open with my hammer, my holiday hammer. Ah, I hate these hatches.
That's not fair.
I just came in there. You had a chance to save both of them. Oh wow, the other boy just left when he froze. Okay, this is getting ridiculous. Where are you?
No, I don't want you to find me.
Okay, I won't capture you, but can I please say hello?
No, you're gonna slap me.
No, I promise. Pinky, swear, here. Pinky. No, fail the computer.
Well, I don't know, because I can't.
Oh, I know where you are.
Hey.
Okay, you know what?
I'm done.
Are being a noob. You're gonna be a noob. You're gonna be a noob. You're gonna be mean to me. You're gonna not want to say hello to me. You're gonna be so rude.
I thought you said that you just wanted to say hi.
Yeah, until you were being rude to me. Oh no, I declined our trade. Or trade. Wow, that made no sense. You are. Oh no, you're gonna get out soon. Die!
You gotta be so mean.
Why you gotta be so mean? Okay. I actually don't know why do I have to be so mean. I'm the beast, so it's my job and duty and protection. That's not a butt crack. I'm literally gonna kill you. Oh gosh, you guys are probably headphone users. Oh, this is your only. Guys, I'm kind of cheating since I'm going on her screen. I can't find a capsule to put you in so you can die. I really don't get. It says I can't put you in. What the heck? That is annoying. Okay,
There's
okay.
a person there and they're frozen.
Yeah, but it tells me I can put you in there.
Help me, person. Help. I'm stuck.
And where are you stuck? I could save you. Wait, no! Where are you?
Hiding from you.
Okay, okay, I'm sorry. I lost my mind. One of these, I get mad. Come on, please, come on. Please be nice to the soon-to-be birthday girl. Come on.
I'm still in the same room.
Okay, for real, I actually want to say hi.
No, that's the...
Why don't you want to say hi to me?
Why did you say hi to me?
Because you don't want to say hi to me, and you
Hi!
and you say I'm a bad beast.
I never said that.
Yes, you did. And you don't want to be my friend.
Who said that?
You did.
I didn't.
And you're making me cry.
What?
Just found another computer for you, by the way. See, I'm a not. If I don't find this capsule in less than 5 seconds, I'm going to freak. You're so lucky. You're so lucky. You're so lucky I'm not going to kill you. You are. You went into the room where there's a capsule. Hey! Hey, stop it. You're trying to be so mean.
You need me
Ow, why you gotta be so
I
mean?
actually left the game.
You left the game?
No, on purpose.
Well, she's gonna join back, guys. But that is how you win. That is how you win.
That's how you lose a friend.
Oh my, no, you're joking, right? Come on, join the game before the game gets full. Okay, so while she's joining in, I have enough to buy a crate. So what?
Because you keep on telling me.
Okay. Please give me something nice. It's my birthday in less than a day, less than 24 hours. Get me something cute. Get me something good. I know you love. You know what he just gave me?
A pickaxe.
No. A pickaxe. Wait, let's vote for a map. Let's vote for this one. Oh my gosh, can I trade you with you? Please! Aw. You guys are probably like, shut up, guys. Oh, she's girl. Someone's saying something in chat. Wait, she, hi! Will y'all be my friends? Will you be my friend? I'd be like, me? You a fange? Are you a fange? I love fanges.
Oh, look at me. I'm on top of the boat.
Oh my gosh, you do not know how weird you look right now.
I look perfect.
Oh,
I'm the beast.
oh no! You're gonna come back for revenge. Hmm? You know?
You know?
You're not? You're gonna have mercy on me?
Yeah.
Oh no, you're gonna have to kill me. Okay, you know what? Let's make a deal.
Type of people that
Let's make a deal. Okay, let's make a deal. Okay?
I'll drag you to computers.
Okay. Okay, but we have to make a deal. Okay?
What?
The deal is that after you capture everyone, and I help you with that, and I'm gonna let you do this for me. This doesn't have to work for you. Can I keep on killing you?
What?
That was me.
What?
Because I'm gonna make a deal because you know I love you so much and you're like my cousin and all that. So after you, okay, I'm sorry. So after you get everyone and it's just me and you find me, you can capture me.
Well, last time I did that, you got mad at me.
I know I did, but I got mad at me because I didn't mean it last time. I mean it now, and it's on camera. Yes, but you don't have to if you don't want to, you know.
No, like, I do want to. Oh, you have been. Oh, look it. I found a computer.
Hey, cheater wiener. Hey. Yeah, I thought we were gonna make our deal.
I'm gonna drag you to another computer.
There is a computer right there.
help you.
No, please! I never did this to you! And please! You're so mean to me.
Here. Let's just took you back to your place.
You wasted your time. Now go find people who really need you.
Really need me? Really? Do you need me?
Yeah, they need you to kill them.
Okay.
Why do I feel like you're like coming after me? You know, you literally took me on a little stroll, you know? Try. I knew you were going to do that. I knew you were.
Every time you smack me next
Yeah,
time.
but I leave you alone after that, so bye. Oh my gosh, I hate you.
There's one right there. You know, your home sweet home.
No, it's your home sweet home when I'm the beast. No, because I will give mercy to you, whether you like it or no, please, no.
Bye. Oh, I thought I left. Oh. Bye.
Stop messing with me. Finally, thank God you leave me alone. No.
Where did you go?
Away from you.
I'm dumb.
Yes, I think you're dumb.
I saw you move.
No, please don't kill me. You're very insolent.
There's one computer left.
Wait, what? Oh, I thought I found it. Oh, this girl's following me. There's one computer left this whole time when you were jazzling with me. I'm going to follow this girl. Actually, should I even help you anymore? Considering on how you were behaving with me the whole time. You were literally hanging out with me for like 5 minutes. I can't find the computer. Come on, people. I don't have to go here. We're going to escape. Yeah, people, we're going to escape.
No, not one of your friends, though.
Yeah, okay. Well, I'll save them after I hack this computer. If they're not dead by then. This computer is a lot more important. I'm sorry. Angie is going to kill me. By the way, I call Angie for short because her name is Angela. My name's Lexi. Hang on, my name's Lexi. My name's Lexi. No, please.
Oh my gosh, she said find another person. Find another person.
You know the person you captured is saved, right?
You're the rudest person on earth.
Excuse you!
Excuse me?
I wanted to come to your facility so I could see amazingness. No, I think you should camp it.
No, because I know what you're gonna do. Because you're gonna leave me.
What do you mean? Why? No! I would love to stay with you for like the rest of my life.
No.
You know? No, staying with you and living with you is actually amazing.
You already left with me.
What? I left you. How could I?
What do you mean?
I'm sorry.
You're the worst person I know.
Okay, fine. There is... Oh.
Went to the wrong one.
No! Angie, please! I'll give you $50.
No. You mean?
I don't have the time! Your facility stinks like, okay? It smells like poop. Your facility smells like, why did you leave the game?
It took you so long to notice.
Okay, could you please? Yeah. Why? How am I so mean? Well, I'm sorry, but my friends they had a knife and they were chasing me. And I, you want me to die?
What do you mean? You killed me.
No, I produced your body for when I can unthaw you when it's like 30 million years later. Okay? Oh, hey!
No.
Wait, don't stop. Talk to me. You almost left you lost my home too. You were going to leave my home. And you were hacking computers to leave. That hurt my feelings. You know how much that made me feel? You know how that made me feel? You know what? That made me feel horrible. I feel like I know one. I'm actually going to cry.
I'm the beast again.
No, they're giving you a second chance. You know, one more round after this.
Do it again?
I know. I'm not going to leave your facility.
You promise? I have a computer right here. That person left me.
I'm sorry, but this
You think I'm the person? You think I'm the?
I mean, okay. And if I do leave your facility, what would you do?
I'll cry. I spoke.
I have someone with me. Do you want me to fail the computer?
Sure.
I failed it. She's leaving now. But I'm helping you. So if I help you and you let me escape from your facility, will you let me leave?
I found a computer.
Really? Drag me there.
Okay.
No, after I finish this computer.
Okay.
Because I feel like we work well together. I think.
You think?
I'm sorry, I'm like dying. I'm trying to rechat. Oh, this girl is private chatting with me and I closed my chat. Okay. Okay, I see your red lights. But I'm not going to tell you how close you are because, 3 computers left. Until they escape. I don't. Well, only if I have to, like, they're chasing me with the knife again, remember? They were chasing me with the knife! So you want me to die in the facility rather than surviving and going to my family at home? Come on, you gotta be so rude.
What do you mean I'm capturing something?
You're capturing? You're capturing?
What do you think I'm going to do?
Oh, I found a computer. Yeah.
I am.
Okay, 2 computers left. F and 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay.
He left me.
If I was them and you were trying to kill me, you're only killing them, right? I can't believe you're beast 2 times in a row.
Because I left and I came back.
Yeah, that's the new strategy, guys. Comment down below and see if it works for you. Okay. No, the computers are leaving me now. Come on.
Person.
Come on, we need to find 2 more computers. Yeah. Voice crack. That was the most disturbing noise I ever heard. You guys are probably like, this girl better not keep on circling around this facility before I unsubscribe. You know, girls and guys.
Or peoples, you can say.
Yes, or things. Thing 1 or thing 2 or thing 5,000.
Dogs or pets.
Yeah.
I found someone!
Why are you screaming?
Because they're leaving.
Oh, by the way, guys, if you hear any background noises, we apologize. Her brother is outside watching TV with my older sister, so.
Oh! Better not save her.
Me? Oh, no, I won't save her. You better. I am? Okay, well, I won't save her.
You won't save her!
If you're following me, I'm going to save her. Hey!
I'm so sorry. She's gonna save her!
Bad girls. You guys are bad. You don't save her. Could you take me to the computer, please?
I'm trying to get this girl.
Can you get me to the computer?
Wait. No, I lost my girl.
Oh, she's right there. Is she right there?
Kill. Should be dead already. Not already!
Okay, I'm going to finish hacking this computer so I can play Roblox. I'm playing Roblox and Roblox. Oh.
Take me to somewhere.
Oh, nice.
Oh, snap.
Oh, snap in the apple pies.
Why can't I not for her? I'm trapped. Where's the other girl? Didn't I get 2? Who left?
Did you leave?
Hey! You're me! You're not.
Hey, I didn't save her because she threatened to stab me in the neck. You want me to die? It's a fair question. Do you want me to die?
You're mean.
Follow me. I want to show you something.
No.
Okay, well then I'm saving her.
You're mean. I never.
Camper.
You're mean.
You got me scared. You got me so scared. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Please don't be mad. I'm gonna spectate you. Come on. Oh, sorry about. We're actually laying kind of close to a mirror right now, so we apologize for me like laying down on it too much. I will help you find the other girls. Well, this other girl is going to the other. There they escaped. You know what? I feel like living alone is a lot better. Oh, I'm sorry. Give me your fluffy shit. Oh, you did really good. Oh, don't cry. Guys, we're going to be posting lots of videos today. Oh, don't cry, babe. I'm going to say. Oh, look what this girl said. You still are a really good beast. This girl's so nice.
What do you mean she left me?
Come on, everyone's giving you love. You're amazing. You know why I left? Because this girl stuck a needle up my butt, and if I didn't leave,
Stop making things up!
And it would explode.
Stop lying!
Yeah, you will get them next time. Y'all, if I'm the beast, I'm going to let you guys win because I'm a bad at being beast. Lol.
That's
Kinda?
mean.
Kinda same.
Not fun like that.
I'm sorry! My butt! You want my butt to explode?
There's no other person.
Okay. This is gonna be very. Don't look in the mirror. You're mean.
I'm leaving you.
No. You can't leave me. If you leave me, I will cry. Come out. Wherever you are, beauty pies. Don't you dare run from me. I had a box of Skittles and blah 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 blah. I don't know what else goes on to the song.
Don't kill Haley or me.
Why Haley?
Because Haley's was nice. Wow. I see you.
You see me.
I see you. Stop looking at my thing.
Looking at her screen and she's mad. Hey, Haley! No, it's Fluffy. It's Fluffy, not Haley. It's Fluffy. It's like in Haley, but it's like Fluffy. I don't know how I lost this girl. She has bright pink hair. Oh, there's ketchup all over the floor, guys. But like, guys, this will be our last round since I don't want to make this video an hour. You know, we should stream. We should live stream. You guys comment down below if we should bring that. If we could get to 40 subscribers, we'll start streaming daily. Or probably not daily, but most likely almost a couple streams at least a month or like a...
That's me.
Why are you running from me?
Because you kill me all the time.
See, you know, you don't want to stay at my facility, don't you? Oh,
I do, but you don't want to stay in mine. So why would I want to stay in yours?
See, this is why I don't want you. You think that you have... Stop it! You think that I care about
know.
You did. Of course I care about
No,
you.
you don't.
I care about you.
You do me.
I'm taking you to the failed computer.
There's a person right there.
Wait, what? See, I'm gonna take you to the failed. Get out of my face, girl. I need to say. Ah! Did I get her?
I don't know. Did you?
I got her. Okay, you can't be mad at me. First of all, I better win. And you better not. Sir,
I'm not saving her.
I'm pretty sure you are going to.
You kill me. Kill that person, not me.
If you save this girl, you will die, and I will not let you escape.
But you're the one that
I'm
saved
going.
persons.
Okay, I guess you want to die. I promise I won't kill you.
Well, I'm dead right now.
I'm going to come back for you.
Don't come back. I better not get.
Come on.
Me, come on. You come on.
Okay, can we make a deal? I promise I won't
Yes,
hit
a
you.
deal.
Huh? Someone save someone.
That wasn't me. What computer was
I'm mad! And you were in hands of it.
Stop!
You were guarding it. And you did horrible!
You know, there's a person right there. Get that person.
Fluffy sheep. I thought I killed you. I thought I killed you. I thought I killed you both. I really did. Oh, I have them all in my hands. I have
Somebody get the last computer.
Oh, they're so lucky that I'm not going to literally murder them. Die, Haley, die!
Wait, I'm glitching.
Why am I so aggressive?
Yeah, why are you?
It's a great question.
Nobody's getting the...
See, this is a good team. They save each other. I'm gonna lose the last round.
Somebody's hacking.
I'm and I'll let you live. And you're gonna let them hack alone?
What?
March, are you gonna hack with them?
No.
Oh, why? So you can't fail it? And so I don't save you away from that girl? Don't even. Hey, don't look at my screen. you did it. You did it. You did it. You did it. But you, why are you gonna leave my facility?
You left my personality.
Because you're leaving mine. You hit me so hard right.
No, I thought she loved you.
She did.
She did? That's no fair. I'm not gonna get able to escape.
You're so mean. I know. They all left you. For what? For Monday.
You're mean.
I don't want you to leave my facility.
I do want to leave you.
You know, if you leave my facility, you're gonna make me really cry. And the more you make me cry, the more I change my mind of doing what I do.
You know it's not gonna work.
I know.
I
I let you leave my facility unwillingly. Okay, guys. Well, on that note, we're going to be ending our video here. Thank you guys all so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell, and like this video. And if you guys want more of these challenges, like let's do, if this video gets to 10 likes, we will do the no crawl challenge and flee the facility. Well, we love you guys so much. My name is Lexi. And we're signing off. Bye. This is the end of the video, as you guys can tell. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope this wasn't too long, because I've probably already been raging if I was watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell, and like this video, because I want subscribers in general, and like it's me. Yeah, I hope I see you guys in my next video. Let's get this video to 10 likes so I can do a part 2, and yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.